The Dacia Spring is making a strategic push amid the surge of small electric cars flooding the market in recent years, particularly from Chinese manufacturers. In doing so, it raises its own positioning within Dacia's lineup to make room for an even more urban and budget-friendly concept car, one that anticipates the recently unveiled hipster concept, which Car and Driver has already previewed. With this aggressive approach, alongside models like the Renault 5, Alpine A290, and Renault 4 E-Tech positioned slightly higher in the range, the Renault Group is clearly aiming to dominate the sales of affordable electric vehicles, particularly practical utility EVs. The 2026 refreshed Dacia Spring continues to use the same platform as the previous generation but introduces several notable improvements. Among them are an anti-torsion bar on the front axle, stiffer springs and dampers, and subtle visual updates. The exterior now includes new design elements and color options that tie the Spring aesthetically to Dacia's larger SUVs, the Duster and Bigster. According to the brand, the only components shared with the 2023 Spring are the windshield, side windows, and roof. Compared with the 2024 model, the styling tweaks are minimal, but the mechanical upgrades are significant. The engine now delivers either 75 or 100 horsepower, up from 45 or 65 horsepower, and the battery has increased capacity while supporting faster charging. Dimensionally, the 2026 Spring remains unchanged, measuring 3.70 meters in length, 1.58 meters in width, and 1.52 meters in height. Following the comprehensive redesign led by David Durand last year, the new model retains its elongated 3-module LED headlights and trapezoidal LED taillights, which remain key visual features. The rear design also features the brand name screen printed across the center of the tailgate, with the model name in small lettering on the left. New for this edition are a spoiler at the top of the tailgate and a larger rear diffuser, both contributing slightly to improved aerodynamics. The company reports a rollover resistance, SCX, of 0.665, down from 0.743. Other updates include new color options and the retention of easy-to-replace bumper decals, which reduce repair costs from minor scrapes. The Expression trim now comes standard with 15-inch wheels, which can also be finished in black, while the entry-level version continues to feature 14-inch wheels. The interior of the 2026 Dacia Spring remains largely unchanged from the 2024 model. It continues to be a 4-seater, 5-door car, with limited rear space, a long-standing area in need of improvement. Despite this, the cabin delivers solid finishes and stands out for its ergonomic design and thoughtful equipment. At the center of the dashboard is a 7-inch screen with modern graphics. Buyers can choose between 2 multimedia setups: Media Control, which uses a holder for a personal smartphone as the infotainment system, and Media Nav Live, featuring a 10.1-inch display compatible with Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Beneath the screen are the air vents and physical controls for the climate system, along with 2 USB Type-C ports. The gear selector has been redesigned, replacing the traditional rotary wheel with a compact lever for easier operation. The Spring also offers practical YouClip solutions reminiscent of Škoda's Simply Clever concept. These clever touches include a glove compartment flashlight, a double cup holder shaped like the brand's initials, DC, and a smartphone holder, small details that enhance everyday usability. However, wireless charging is still not available. Safety and driver assistance features have been expanded, now including traffic sign recognition, fatigue detection, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking. The trunk has been reconfigured for better utility, the spare tire has been removed, and sidewalls and padding have been minimized, increasing cargo volume to 308 liters, and up to 1,004 liters with the rear seats folded. Additionally, an optional 35-liter tray under the hood provides a convenient space to store items such as charging cables. The 2026 Dacia Spring stays true to its core identity, offering just 2 electric powertrains and a single battery option, but both are far more capable than their predecessors. The new 70 horsepower and 100 horsepower electric motors replace the earlier 45 horsepower and 65 horsepower units, while the upgraded 24.3 kWh LFP, lithium iron phosphate, battery now spans the entire central section of the chassis. This new layout improves weight distribution between the front and rear axles and provides up to 225 kilometers of range on the WLTP cycle for versions equipped with 15-inch wheels. Another significant upgrade is the onboard DC fast charger, now rated at 40 kilowatts instead of the previous 30 kilowatts. Offered as an option, it allows the battery to charge from 20% to 80% in just 29 minutes, according to Dacia. The standard 7 kilowatts AC charger, combined with the new battery, also reduces charging times. From 20% to 100%, it now takes 3 hours and 20 minutes on a 7 kilowatts wall box, compared with 4 hours previously. and 10 hours and 11 minutes on a domestic outlet. Regenerative braking has been optimized as well. Since the MY24 version, the Sprıng has featured a B mode for stronger regeneration and the V2L, vehicle-to-load, function, which allows the car's battery to power small household appliances and portable devices. Despite the slightly higher weight from added equipment, the 2026 Sprıng delivers significantly improved performance. The old 45 horsepower Sprıng required 26.2 seconds to accelerate from 80 to 120 km per hour, while the 65 horsepower model managed the same in 14 seconds. By contrast, the new Sprıng 70 achieves the sprint in 10.3 seconds, and the Sprıng 100 in just 6.9 seconds, a dramatic improvement that ensures confident overtaking and comfortable highway cruising. The Dacia Spring remains a simple, practical electric car tailored for a specific use, urban and short-range mobility. Its compact dimensions, modest rear seats, and basic finishes reflect this focus. Yet, the build quality is impressive, particularly the solid dashboard and center console, while the absence of a massive battery keeps the car light enough to deliver efficient driving over hundreds of kilometers per charge. The Dacia Spring was conceived as an entry-level electric car, designed to be the first EV for many drivers, thanks to its affordable price, manageable charging times, and focus on urban mobility. For those seeking exactly that, practical, city-friendly transportation, the Spring is an ideal choice. It offers around 200 kilometers of range on a combined cycle, with slightly better performance in stop-and-go city traffic. While it doesn't feature paddle shifters behind the steering wheel for controlling regenerative braking, the 2026 model introduces a B-mode regeneration function, activated via the new razor-style gear lever between the front seats, a design reminiscent of systems used by the Volkswagen Group. Overall, the Dacia Spring is a highly maneuverable and comfortable car. Its compact dimensions make it perfect for navigating narrow streets, and the newly revised steering system greatly enhances driving ease in tight urban environments. Although we haven't yet tested the more powerful 2026 engines, all indications point to a more dynamic, stable, and versatile vehicle. Improvements to the chassis and mechanical components have clearly boosted performance, making the Spring not just a practical city car, but a more capable and confident performer than ever before.